Bururi wa Itari uri na itanya ria gwaka ceceni ya guthomithia arimi uhoro wigie urimi wa kahua na uria ukuhuthira makiria ma birioni 2. Itanya ria gwakwo gwa ceceni ino ni kuongerera umenyo kuri arimi a kahua niguo kuongerera ikiro cia kahua karia maririmaga o hamwe na guthondeka mieke ya mawira na guthondeka thoko ya kahua.
We have also supported them with some hard work in terms of refurnishment and refurbishment of some of the facilities, providing equipment. Again, we are handing over 7 eco-pulpers today, and we have restored and equipped seven coffee lab across the 7 counties that were encompassed within the
GAMBACORTA uria ni munini wa baruthi wa bururi wa Itari guku bururi-ini augite hari bata kwagirithia njira cia urimi na njira ya kuheana mathomo kuri arimi.
Agriculture through innovation can be very attractive for the youth. So this new phase will also have a component of innovation. So for startup and other, as I said, new technology can be brought in the sector to also assure that quality and the sustainability is also taken into consideration when producing coffee.
Henry Kinyona uria ni mumemba wa gikaro kinene gia president kigi urimi wa kahua ni urite arimi kuhimbiria njira cia kiriu cia urimi akiuga urimi wa kahua ni munyiginyigi wa wonjoria akiuga arimi matigatigwo na thutha hari gukenerera marihi ma kahua.
Muthi project ino iretagwo Arabica ni kuga ni koretwo mwikiruta na county kuruta maundu maingi guteithio arimi uria mangehota kwendia kahua kao directly kuma train na njira nyingi na riu muthi ni kuga ira transfer kahinda karia project iko na maundu karia ikirakinya muyo haria guthie na kahinda kau ni karathiga agithira no ni otoria tuona tari ugu ira transform na maundu mangi uria ginya Centeno igu transform na njira nene ni thirikari ya Kenya manyita na thirikari ya Itari na UNIDO ituike handu atiri ko train andu othe to kurima ikauma research ni train nginya uhoro wa ko process kahua kau no retu kikendia.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.